How would you determine the buys of the day for futures or options? Options. Okay. So again, which as you know, I had a buy set up today, which did not pan out. So I'll kind of talk a little bit about that. I mean, I look at it based on the higher time frames. I think I was looking to go long. So Amazon, because yeah, I was basically counting on a reaction at this base demand here, right? Because I knew in a higher time frame, right, I had this base that kind of created this high up here. So I was looking, even though I know the market has been trending down to this point, I'm waiting for there to be a pivot, right? I'm expecting a pivot. In this case, the pivot did happen, right? But it blew out that demand zone I was looking to trade. I was looking to trade this demand zone right here. This sometimes happens, right? You may get the overall trend of the day right, but you just don't get a tradable opportunity. In this case, it opened below that demand, so I didn't trade. I think the same thing for Meta happened. Actually, Meta did have a little bit of a better opportunity here. Meta, what I was looking to have happen was this area of consolidation to get broken. See, it started way up here. When it does this and it starts showing that downside market structure, because I'm trading 9 times out of 10, just because I know from history, that's the window I'm trading from like 9:30 to 10:30. If I don't see like what I would have wanted to see if I was going to trade this is something like this, right? Maybe I was looking for a bounce off of this consolidation area and then some kind of immediate upside structure. That clearly did not happen, right? So even though it eventually did recover, my trading window was from like 9:30 to 10:30. And so once it already A opened up too high and B had that, it's done. The deal's done. Same thing I think for Nvidia. And I was looking for a bounce at this demand and it just blew right through it. You can see it did kind of recover, although it sold off. You can see it's really this is like to me, this is nothing. I mean, there's really no. I mean, if this had finished up higher, let's go to 4 hours. Look at that topsy turvy. Look, it kind of came down, reversed, but look at what the second half did. To me, that is indecision. I want to see something like this. See that 4 hour sequence right here? Boom, boom. This is just garbage. But anyway, in terms of bias, I look at this higher time frame and then I see, is it at a opening at a key pivot zone, right? But then I'm still looking for a reaction. In this case, it blew right through it. So my thesis was invalid at that point.